learn how to play Et si tu n'existais pas. It's a French, lovely and famous song. I divided it to two parts. So the first part we will play in C minor, and then we will repeat it in Re minor. Let's see how we start the first part. We will start on D string, third string, second finger, Fa dièse. Fa dièse, Si, Do dièse, Re. So we started on D string and then continued on A string. And then Do dièse, second finger on A string. Do dièse, Si, Fa dièse. We continue with Fa dièse and down bow wherever we reach. Fa dièse, Si, Do dièse, Re, Fa dièse. We are playing on three strings, D, A, E. Fa dièse, Si, Do dièse, Re, Fa dièse on E. So like this. And then we continue on E string, third finger, La. La, Sol, Do dièse. Sol and Do dièse, we play them both with second finger. One of them on E string, the other on A string. But here we will make an exception to make it more comfortable. We will use second finger to play Sol and third finger to play Do dièse. Immediately after that, it's the same note, Do dièse. But this time we will play it as usual, second finger. Do dièse, Re, Mi. On A string. And then Re dièse, Mi, Fa dièse. We are using Re with third finger. Now I have to raise my third finger half tone to play Re dièse instead of Re. And then Mi, Fa dièse, Sol on E string. Then Fa dièse, first finger on E string, and we go down until we reach Do dièse on A string, second finger. And then Do dièse, Si, Re on A string. This is the finishing of the first part for the first time. Do dièse, Si, Re on A string. To continue, we have to play the first part again, but with a different finishing, which is Do dièse, Re, La. Open A string. So, this is the finishing of the first part when we repeat it for the second time. Let's see the details of this last phrase. La, Mi, Re, Do dièse, Si, La dièse. Re, Do dièse, third finger. And then Si, second finger, La dièse, first finger. Like this. We finished the first part or the verse. Now we have a small part, we can call it the instrumental part. It consists of two groups of notes. We can call them triplets or triole. First group or first triole is Fa diez, Si, Do diez. On D string, second finger Fa diez. On A string, first finger and second finger Si, Do diez, like this. This is the first triplet or triole. The second triplet is Fa diez, Si, Mi. Only the last one is different. Fa diez, Si, Mi, like this. Okay, we have these two groups of notes. Fa diez, Si, Do diez, Fa diez, Si, Mi. But we will repeat them in a specific order. Let's see how we will repeat them. Okay, and then we have again two triplets, which are Sol, Si, Do diez, Sol, third finger on D string, Si, Do diez, first and second finger on A string. And the second triplet is Sol, Si, Mi. Okay, again we change the last note to Mi. Let's play it in the required order, like this. To make it more simple, you can keep your first finger in its place on A string, because we are using it in every group. Let's play the instrumental part completely. We start with second finger Fa diez on D string. So we will change the tonality from C minor to Re minor. We will start with La. La or A open string. La, Re on A string. Mi, Fa on E string. And then Mi, Re, La. Now we will start on A string, open string. La, Re, Mi, Fa, La. Fa becar La. After we play La, we will shift to third position with third finger to play Do on E string. We play Do, Si bemol with second finger and Mi on A string, third finger, or we can play open string. And then we go down to first position, Mi, Fa, Sol. Fa diez, Sol, La. We raise the first finger half a step. Sol, La, Si bemol, second finger on E string. La, Sol, Fa, Mi, third finger on E string, and we go down step by step until we reach Mi or E open string. And then the finishing of the first time of the verse. Mi, Re, Fa. Mi, Re, fourth, third fingers on A string. Fa, first finger on E string. And we will repeat the verse in Re minor. Then we have the second finishing, which is Mi, Fa, Do. open string E, Fa first finger, Do second finger on A string. And we continue with the same note, Do, second finger on A string, and then we play Do and Sol with the same finger, second finger. Do on A string, Sol on E string, second finger. Mi, Re, Do dièse on A string, 4, 3, 2. And then the instrumental part, but in Re minor. Our first couple of triolet are La, Re, Mi, La, Re, Sol. La, Re, Mi on A string like this. And La, Re, Sol. Let's put them in the order. And then the second couple of triolets, Si bemol, Re, Mi on A string, Si bemol, Re, Sol. Sol is on E string. So it will be like this. Let's play it completely. So this is our tutorial of Si tu n'existes pas. You can listen to the complete song by visiting this link. I hope it was a useful tutorial, and if there's any song that you'd like to learn, please mention down in the comment section so I can prepare a tutorial video of that song. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share it and subscribe to my channel so you get notified for the upcoming tutorial videos. Thank you.